computerized for the national.
On the app, take snapshots, upload pictures, and there you are. Now I have an Android phone with me, and no data. The full details of the address for ease of locating it and tracing it, and then you report your allegations, and then it is optional for you to state your details, your name, phone number, email address, and informant address. Tell the members of the press that with this, we knew that a lot of other apps will come up in the name of EFCC. Just this morning, we discovered that an app called EFCC Update is already there on Google Play. A lot more will come, but this is the official EFCC app. It is called the Eagle's Eye. Thank you very much. You can also get the app, from the website that specifically created for that, www.eagleeye.efcc.gov.ng. Flyers will be issued. You can use the barcode on App Store and of course on Google Play for ease of getting the app on your phone. And I hope that all of you, before leaving this place, you will download it and start reporting financial crime. Thank you very much.
With regards to the issue of people who may, just like you said, who may want to report others for malicious reasons. We want to know if there is any legal framework or if anyone found guilty of that will be prosecuted.
Roman Emperor asks about whether the malicious sense of it. Every case is being treated based on the facts in it. We have our own way, modus operandi of determining first and foremost whether or not what you are reporting is within our mandate. And at times, of course, on the face value of a complaint, you will not be able to know whether it is malicious or not. But during the course of investigation, you will tend to determine that. And most often than not is the fact that, look, what you are alleging is not true. You understand? And then, of course, the law will come against you as well, because it's an offense, for you to, mislead the commission by telling them something that ab initio, that is just a mere fabrication of facts. You understand? And we have charged a lot of people, in that regard. And I guarantee you, anybody that is malicious, that have that malicious intent, will be dealt with, in accordance with the law. Yes, we understand the fact that there's a sort of a secrecy there. You can report something without necessarily mentioning your name. You understand? And that is why in all our cases, we tend to carry out, a sort of covered kind of investigation. And of course, to gather intelligence first and foremost before dwelling into anything that will be looking at, you are trying to embarrass somebody's reputation, etc. Yeah, I know that you are aware that we have a full-fledged Director of Intelligence, which, in addition to the ICT, this app is going to be, with them, for them to receive this information, analyze them, add value to the information before investigation commences on anything that we receive here. My friend from, is it Arise TV, talked about documentation. I will answer this, attaching this issue. That does not mean that after reporting an issue here, you need to document it again by writing a formal complaint. What I meant by that is that, yes, that avenue is still there. Have it documented, have it signed, either through your lawyer or by yourself and all of that. We still receive those complaints, so that somebody will not see that, EFCC have launched an app now, so we are going digital completely. You can't send a complaint, physically. No, that avenue is still there, and this avenue is also available for you. This app, to us, is important in two ways, in generally. Reporting cybercrime as it happens, or people where they stay, and you'll be able to tell us this thing beforehand without necessarily writing a complaint and sending it to us. Because this issue of cybercrime is really, really, really a huge problem for us in this country. Secondly, we understood the problem of most often than not, people tend to launder their process of crime through real estate. And Nigerians out there are aware about these properties, are aware about who the owners are. Now with this app, you can easily take a picture of that property or seeing where these people are committing this cybercrime and report it. That is one of the advantages that we have in here, without necessarily writing it. And again, generally on financial crimes, we are not everywhere, and we don't intend to be everywhere. We have 14 zonal offices as at today and the headquarters. If we did not even reduce the number, we don't have the intention of having more additional offices. So because we are not everywhere, we are not in every local government, we are not in every state of the federation. So people out there can easily, write, complain and send to us. My friend here asks about the issue of the reward system. Now, the information of the reporter is optional for you to give. You understand? What the app provides, you can write your name, your detail, and email address. Now, under the description of the offense, you can state it there clearly that what you are sending, you are sending under the whistleblower, situation or policy, so that if at the end of the investigation, based on the information that you have provided, and it is determined, of course, you will get a reward system. And besides, we will also invite you to come and give your statement to back up what you have reported to us. Just to legitimize the process that yes, you came in as a whistleblower. Because we have forms, we have you need to be also be told regarding the implications of what you are doing. Because if you are giving us malicious information or information that is false, you understand, you also have to take in, what the laws provide for you by misleading the officers of the commission as well. So the reward system is there. You can come in through here and report, but you have to state here that you are coming under the whistleblower policy. But hundreds of millions of Nigerians out there, they feel that they are exercising their, more quote-unquote civil responsibility by informing law enforcement regarding some of these issues without necessarily demanding for anything. But I guarantee you, if you have those information, which I believe you have, maybe that is why you are asking. Please come forward. The reward system is still available. Yes.
Person-to-person interface. I may have information about someone, but I don't want to disclose my identity. But looking at what they have said, I have to put my name, my email there.
It's optional. Read it. Yes, look at it there.
Thank you very much.
It's optional.
But if the person decides to give in his or her information, is it for documentation or that person will be involved in the prosecution process as a witness?
You see, to receive a complaint before initiating a case. Provision of Section 7 is very clear. The Commission can cause investigation if it comes to their attention that somebody has violated the provisions of Economic and Financial Crimes Act, or if the person's lifestyle is not commensurate with his sources of income. Just as you are now, we can look at you to say that, why are you wearing these beautiful eyeglasses, etc., etc., and then somebody will say that no, she may be living above her means or something of that nature. An investigation can commence on that without necessarily having a formal complaint reaching to us, accepted by us, and then of course endorsing it for the sake of investigation. So irrespective of whether somebody has given his name or otherwise, we take that as intelligence, we take that as an information, add value to it to make it intelligence, and we can cause investigation from there. And that is why it is optional for you to write your name. But of course, if you write your name, we would like you to come, and share more light if need be. You understand, to tell us more about the information that you have provided, so that you can be used as one of the witnesses, in court as well. Thank you.